I am Sushil Dubey from Bethel Mission School, Godda. Now I am going to today discuss the base. Yesterday I discussed the acid, today I am going to discuss the base. What is the base? What we should know what is the base. Then we know that all of the metal oxide are basic in nature. So how we know basic? How we know the basic in nature is main property there. All base has the first, suppose that sodium oxide, sodium has all metal oxide are the basic in nature, and its second property there, it turn red litmus to blue. It turn red litmus to blue. It turn red litmus blue. Yesterday I discussed the acid has the blue litmus to red and the base blue litmus to acid. And some of the base are soluble in water, that is known as the alkali. We know it there, one question generally asked it there, all alkali are base, but all alkali are base, all alkalis are base, but all base are not alkali. Can you say why? Because all metal oxide are not soluble in water. Few of the metal oxide only soluble in water. That's why it is known as the alkali. And some of the iron oxide not soluble in water. That's why it is not alkali. It is a base only. Only few of the metal oxide are soluble in water. That's why it is known as the alkali. For example, sodium. Suppose that sodium. We take one example. Sodium react with the water. What we write it here? Generally we write the sodium oxide plus hydrogen, but no, because soluble in the sodium oxide are highly soluble in water. That's why we get the product NaOH plus H2. That's why we can say sodium hydroxide is the alkali because it is soluble in water. That's why you can say all of the soluble base are known as the alkali. That's why we can write answer there, all alkalis are base because all metal oxide, all alkali are the base because the alkali which base are soluble in water, but all base are not alkali because all base are not soluble in water. That's why we can say that all alkali are base but all base are not alkali. What do you will, second question there, what do all the bases have common? All base contain OH ion in the water. We know all the metal has insoluble in water given the hydrogen ion, but all the non-metal given the OH ion. This is the common. All of the base must be when soluble in water, it produces the OH ion in the water. That's why it is known as the base. Now we know the strong base and strong base. What is the strong base? Which of the base are completely ionized in the water is known as the strong base. Example, sodium hydroxide are the totally soluble in water and given the OH ion. That's why it is known as the strong base. And weak base is the which are not completely ionized in the water. Suppose that calcium hydroxide, called calcium hydroxide, are the it is also soluble, not totally ionized in the water. That's why it is known as the weak base. So strong base and weak base is the strong base, which are completely ionized in the water is known as the strong base. But some of the weak base which are not completely ionized in the water. Suppose that yesterday I discussed the strong acid we are completely given the hydrogen ion in the water. That is the strong acid, and weak base which are not given the completely ionized in the water. Weak acid base which given the OH ion completely ionized in the water, and weak base they are in partially, we can say partially soluble in the water, partially ionized in the water, OH ion given, that is the weak base. Now we should know the property of the base. What is the property of the base? All the bases are bitter in taste, and acid has the sour in taste, but base are the bitter in taste. Second property there, they turn red litmus paper blue. Red litmus paper glue. You know it that what is the litmus paper? It is made of the lichens. That will be the indicator of the acid and base. So acid, I say that they will turn blue litmus to the red, but here base turn red litmus to the blue. Means acid is the just opposite of the base. And second the base conduct electricity. Base conduct electricity. Base also conduct electricity. Conduct electricity. Electricity. Base react with the acid for base. When base react with the acid, salt and water is formed. Salt and water is formed. Salt and water is formed. How we say when given the example, suppose that base we take the NaOH react with the, this is the base, we can say alkali base, and HCl. Then they will form NaCl. This is the no NaCl. You know it there. What is the NaCl? It is a formula of the common salt plus water is formed. Salt and water is formed. Salt and water. This is the salt and this is the water. We know it that when base react with the acid, neutralizing action takes place is there. Suppose that I given one another example is there. NaOH plus H2SO4, H2SO4, Na2SO4 plus water is formed. This is the salt and this is the water. So all of the we can say base react with the acid, neutralization takes place is there. Why? Because one is the H ion, H positive ion. This given the acid, when followed in the water is given the hydronium ion, and it given the base given the OH ion. Both get the H2O is formed. That's why you can say when acid mix with the base, they make the neutralize. You know there when we take the some food is there, acidified in our stomach, then what happens? We take some of the medicine which is the base. Because acid react with the base, they neutralize the reaction. Because acid, all acid given the acid, we know all are the common. What is the common in the acid and base? Common acid, all the acid must be given the H ion in the water, and all base get OH ion in the water. That's why both are reacted there, they form the water and neutralize the reaction. Now usage of base. Now we are going to discuss the usage of base. Usage of base. What is the usage of base? First usage is there, and is used to manufacture base. NaOH is the base. NaOH is base used for the manufacture of of soap, cloth, synthetic cloth and rayon. Synthetic cloth and rayon. You know it there, how soap is formed there, how rayon is formed there. In class 8 you have studied there, rayon is formed there when we take the wood pulp, heat in the presence of NaOH, then a dump of is the formed there, a viscous substance is formed. When this viscous substance passes from the splinter and this passes from the splinter and put into the acid, then a hard thread is formed that is known as the rayon. So we can say it is main use of the sodium hydroxide. You make the soap, synthetic cloth, rayon, they will use it there. And paper, also use of the paper. And second use is there, bleaching powder. NaOH, we know it that some of the bases are used for the making of the bleaching powder. CaOH2 react with the chlorine gas, CaOCl2. This is a bleaching powder. So we can use it, we can know it that a lot of use by the base. We make the synthetic cloth, soap, rayon, and we can make the CaOCl2 bleaching powder we use by this of the usage of this. How we know the strength of acid and base? Due to this pH paper, it can be known the universal indicator pH paper. pH paper says the strength of the acid and base. How? What is the meaning of the P? P means this is the German word. pH paper, P is the German word potent. Potent means power of H ion, power of hydrogen ion. pH of H ion. This will be pH. Suppose that you take one pH paper is there. This type of the pH paper. Here given the 7. Here 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Zero. Here 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. How we know the strength? Suppose that you take one of the pH paper and you put some of the water on it. Water is the neutral, then what we say the 7th color will become. But now you put some of the acid on it. When you put the acid, then you will see its color will start to changing it there. Suppose that according to strong, if you take the highly concentrated acid, then you will see it become the deep red is there 1. Means it is the highly corrosive in nature, means calm. And if one has, you put some of the lemon is there or acetic acid there, it will show the pH paper show the 4. If its color will be faint, pink of the color, it means it is a weak acid. It is a strong acid, a weak acid. And then we can say HCl is the more stronger than the acetic acid. Acid will show the 1 to 7 and 8, 9, 10, 11 show the strength of the base. Suppose that here what happened, one of the NaOH you are taken is there, it shows the 9 NaOH, and you have taken the CaOH, it taken the 12 or 13, 12 or 13. It means NaOH is the more stronger than the calcium hydroxide, sodium. So this paper will be say the strength of the acid and base. Suppose that you have given one base is there and water is there, and say how we know which is the base and which is the water. Suppose that you have the not any of the litmus paper, not pH paper, then how we know it there? Then when you will touch it there, then base has the soapy touch. Soapy and touch, I mean to say, when you will touch it there, then you know when you use to the soap, some soapy has come that means the base. If there is no litmus paper then, and after that water has no soapy touch, it has the soapy touch. I teach up to the here, you will study well in this chapter, and I have already given you my call number. If any difficulty will come, you ring out me, and one more instruction given is there. Now I hear it there, more corona virus will be increase in your state also come is there, and Jharkhand I just got the one newspaper news I got it there. It also will be spit out into the one person also will become in the Gota jet, that is the sickness of the corona virus. That's why I suggest all the students, you will live in the house and study. If any problem will become, you consult with the phone number 797-999-2314. If you have got any difficulties there, you will must be consulted there. Otherwise, when school will open is there, again I shall discuss detail in this chapter, and you can ring me from this number. Thank you, student. Live well, safe from corona.